Hello everyone, this is Chris here at Trucks Unique. Just want to show you off a new truck that we just finished up. It's a 2010 Dodge Ram 3500. We did an 8-inch BDS long arm kit. We do have a leveling kit on it as well, so it's set at 10 inches. We had everything custom powder coated in OE green to give it kind of a little bit of a military theme. We do have the Fox shocks on this truck that we had done in black to kind of go with the green. We're running 40-15-50 Patriot MT tires on 22x12 fuel hostage wheels. It's a pretty big truck. I'm 6'1", and this sucker's sitting taller than me at the hood, even obviously at the mirror too. To help get up into this big old sucker, we did install the AMP Powerboard XL steps. They drop down an extra 3 inches versus the regular step. Makes a big difference getting up in this truck. They are lighted at night, and they come down the extra 3 inches, which is what this trim panel right here is. We also, on this truck, to help stop this big old sucker, we did Powerstop calipers and rotors all the way around. They're cross drilled and slotted. We had the calipers custom painted green to match the suspension, so it all kind of goes together. It's a big old monster. Something new that we did here at Trucks Unique.
Get your truck ready for anything.